Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry with Simpler Trading, and in tonight's free video, I wanted to bring you the setup that I am watching in Apple. Now, of course, Apple does not trade in a vacuum, and the broad indices will also have a big impact on how this plays out, which is to say if the NASDAQ and S&P can have bullish days on Thursday and Friday, well, then that will help this analysis in Apple. But a few of the things that I like about this stock at the current juncture is that we haven't seen 3 closes above the 21 EMA for some time, right? When the downtrend begins, you start to see closing days below the 21 EMA, and then pretty much every reversion back into this daily mean, you had one day where it closed above here, but that's only one day, and then every other instance closes well below it. Well, today's close brought that third close above the daily mean, and if you can head into Thursday and see prices respect the 148.58, well, then I believe you may be on a path into 155. The signal that will help aid in that, if that is going to be the path that we see, is here off of the 30-minute squeeze. So I like showing you this example because there are a couple of nuances in it. Right, it would be all too easy for me to look at this and tell you, you see where the squeeze fired to the long side? Do you see the bullish move that provided? But that doesn't really do justice to the period, right? Because the signal begins through here. We're holding support, but then you get a rough open, right? And that technically does get below that, but ended up being the perfect buying opportunity. I show you that to say that if you can see how this signal unfolded, it might be something similar, where this signal needs to see a dip below, get actually below that previous swing low, be a little problematic against the support I'm trying to use, but that break actually being the spot that you buy for this move. So I think that's in there. I think it is something that is worth focusing on. Again, it will be easier if the broad market wants to cooperate, but that will be a setup to take into Thursday and potentially Friday with you, and I think could provide some opportunity. So y'all have a great rest of your evening, and we will see you in the next free video. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. And if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.